Okay, students, आज हम करेंगे MCQ क्वेश्चन फॉर क्लास 9. First question is if x plus 1 by x equals to 5, then find x square plus 1 by x square. इसके लिए हमारे पास चार ऑप्शन है, ठीक है. First, x plus 1 by x equals to 5, squaring both sides. X plus 1 by x square equals to 5 का square, a का square plus b का square plus 2 into a into b equals to 25. x but x square plus 1 by x square की वैल्यू आ गई 25 minus 2 equals to 23. That is second option. Correct?